What's poppin', everybody? Just got back from Big Euro 2024. It was a dope ass time. Got to go with the group, so it was really cool. This was my first one. Damn, bro, it was sick, but it was so hot. Anyone who's been to Irwindale Speedway, y'all know that there's no shade. So we stayed as long as we could. Pretty much saw everything. We walked around the whole speedway, saw all the cars that were there, saw a couple races, and then on the way back, my homie in the Golf R bullied a scat pack, and then I pulled up on him. We like boxed him in. He didn't end up wanting to smoke. There was a lot of traffic coming back, so we weren't able to get any runs against each other. Something I wish we could have done, but you know, next time. I really wanted to put some roll races in here for you guys, but I couldn't make it happen. Hopefully you guys enjoy the footage that I did get. I did get some races for my GTI family, you know what I mean? Or for my golf family in general. I got some R races and some GTI. There was a stupid fast red GTI. Definitely had to be upgraded turbo. He had some traction issues, but man, once he hooked, oh, disappeared. It was insane. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and like and subscribe. Peace.
Yeah. I just about to get the Audi watch, I can tell.
Oh! butter Dutch. Oh, GT4. GT2. Any coolers in the back? Oh dang, what? Look at that steering wheel, bro. That's crazy. This is insane, actually. See that emblem? Look at the emblem.